All I really wanna see is the, I don't really need a D, I need the.
Hey guys, so my hair looks like this. This is actually like a 2-day-old wash and go, but I want to have a really sleek wet look, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing. It's going to be a wash and go as well, but you know, it's going to be a fresh wash and go. So I just got the shower, but my hair's dry. Curls still kind of popping, but I really wanted to talk about this product because it's freaking amazing. The Wetline Extreme Gel looks like this, and I'm sure you guys have seen this all over YouTube, like literally all over YouTube. I got this one at Walmart for 94 cents, so it's wild. So my hair is just looking kind of crazy, but you can see my curls are still pretty defined. So like I said, this is 3 days. This is day 3 after my initial wash and go. So I definitely would wear my hair out like this, like just, you know, fluff it up and rock the messy fro. But I do want to show you guys how it looks like when you put it on and how well it defines your curls. So I have here a spray bottle. As you can see, the water looks kind of murky. It's because it's really, really hot. I use hot water to open up the cuticles in my hair since I do have low porosity hair. So I do recommend using some type of hot water or something to warm your hair as you're applying your product so that it opens up the cuticle and allows your hair to absorb the product. I'm just going to start off by separating my hair. I like to do kind of small sections so I can get so I can saturate my hair in the product. I have a little section out back here. I'm just gonna take this section. I'm actually gonna take a wide tooth comb and detangle it a little bit. Some people probably don't believe in detangling your hair while it's dry, but my hair is not too kinky, so I think that I can kind of get away with detangling while it's dry. Just be very careful and use a wide tooth comb. I'm going to take the water and I'm going to just spray it onto the section. And I'm fully saturating that in water. And then I'll just take the Wetline Extreme Gel. And you guys, sometimes I don't put any other product, I just put gel. It works fine for me. Some people it may not work on. I will add an oil later just to seal in moisture, but I usually just go with gel and nothing else. So I just apply the gel. It smells really good and it has a lot of slip, put a ton in my hair. As you can see, it's like weighing down the curls. But that's kind of how I like my hair. I like the gel to weigh down my curls so that it doesn't shrink up too much. Add some more water. Just rake that through, and then I'll also do the praying hands to clump the curls. So as you can see, it gives me tons of definition. So I love this gel, and it doesn't flake. Oh my god, you know how hard it is to find a gel that doesn't flake. I've used so many gels that define my curls so well, but they flake when they're dry. So I'm just like, nah. I'm cool with the gel by itself. It feels really moisturizing. Actually has aloe vera in it, which is, I think is really good for my hair. My hair likes aloe vera and aloe gel, or I'm sorry, aloe juice a lot. I'm just gonna speed the rest of this up and show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. Quick before my camera dies, I'm going to show you guys me doing the front of my hair because the curl pattern at the front of my head is way looser than the back. So it'll look like my hair's really way down, but it just really does not curl up in the front. It's more wavy. So I just wanted to show you guys that before my battery dies. So here's what it looks like. Oh my gosh, y'all. This gel be giving me life. It really defines my curls. I'm able to enjoy first day hair because typically I hate first day hair. It shrinks up too much. It looks crazy. But I actually like how this makes my hair look. My hair's not dripping wet because I don't know, like, I think that comes from using the hot water. It allows your hair to start absorbing moisture immediately. So my hair doesn't drip. It's wet, but it doesn't drip. And it looks like really, I think this looks cute. Like, I love wearing this out, like just having my hair down, sleek and curly. And then as time goes on, it will shrink up a little bit and then it will volumize more, which is cute as well. But I just love this gel because it makes me enjoy first day hair. So you can see how defined. I know it looks like I have a white cast on my hair on my monitor, but it's just really shiny because in person it just looks really shiny. So the curls are spectacular. So I'm really living for this, and yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have questions, please feel free to leave those down below in the comment section. Check the description box for any information about me, my social media links, and also about this gel. Also make sure that you smash that like button. Subscribe right down here. There's also a bell notification icon. Click that, okay, so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.